Gone through the border. Now on our way to Texas, Midland, Texas, Montana first. Got my truck with me. Let's go. Alright, Kuya Jay, say hi. On our way to Texas. So Kuya Jay, what do you think about living in the middle of nowhere in Montana?
It's okay, baby.
We're going to Midland, Texas, and we have to go through Lewiston, Montana, then Billings, and then
As long as you have enough fuel to live in this area, it's okay because you can go anywhere.
right.
So
Yeah,
it's
but
okay.
the thing is, like you said, are you willing to spend $100 on gas just to go one farm and then back to your house?
If I was a farmer, maybe
Yeah.
own 100
acres?
100 acres or no, 1,000 acres.
Yeah.
That means you have the money to have the gas.
Yeah, I guess so.
Then it's okay.
And move to Lewiston, Montana. I don't think so.
Maybe not, but just a thought.
Yeah. So, go to Billings, have lunch, and after that, go straight to Wyoming. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, baby.
Woo! As you can see, 800 kilometers. Calgary to Lewiston, Montana. Alright, 8 o'clock in the morning. We out here, Colorado, baby.
So how this shit turned in.
New Mexico, baby.
But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways.
Finally here, Texas, baby. 37 hours, baby.
I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at my soft dick with the light. It's my dream dick.
If I was little Diggy in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective monk.
I'm balling on the court, oh my god, I can dunk. Snap a flick of my jump.
My dick is trending on Twitter, fuck. Now I'm at the club, I talk my way into getting in. I look up in the VIP, my goodness, there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Wait, who the fuck you think he is? Took a glass bottle, shatter it on the bouncer's head. Walk up to that motherfucker.
Wait, think it through for a sec. If you hurt me, then you only hurting yourself.
But wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now we put your
So, we're vlogging again. After 6 states, we're going back to Calgary, baby. We just drove from Texas, Colorado, now Wyoming, now on our way to Montana, going back to Calgary. And we have our, I don't know if you can see it in the back. Those are our parts. Kuya Jay, what do you think of us driving six states and back? Do you want to do it again to Midland, Texas?
It's okay, baby.
Holy shit, I got a vagina.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No,
No.
would you want to do it again? The question is, would you drive 6 states just to go back to Midland, Texas,
No,
and grab some stuff again?
No, it's not happening again. It's not happening.
Now we learned our lesson because
We're just doing it one time.
one time we want to show our suppliers that we are serious about doing business with them. So Kuya Jay and I drove all the way from Calgary, 27 hours. Well, roughly
2 days, one way.
2 days one way. We learned a lot from this trip. Doing all the back roads, farms, right, Kuya Jay? Yeah, man. Adventure after adventure. Instead of the holidays, spending time at the couch, doing a lot of traveling. Next up, watch out for what?
Yukon, baby.
Yukon and Alaska, baby. Anchorage. That's the plan.
That's right.
Peace out. Yeah, buddy. So, Kuya Jay, how was your Chinese food in Denver, Colorado?
Crap. Fake Chinese, bro. Fake Chinese.
So we went to Denver, Colorado, and we ate at the Chinese food over there, and one of the worst ever. Now we're on our way to Vietnamese pho. Try it out here in Wyoming, Casper. Let's get it. Let's do a review later of their pho. It's okay, baby.
It's okay, baby.
All right, we made a pit stop over here. Have our lunch here at Pho Saigon, Casper, Wyoming. Let's get it. Alright, and we're back. Apologize, we weren't able to review the food, but the food was great. We ate it all. For the past 4 days, we haven't had any decent meal. This is the first one ever. And surprisingly, in Casper, Wyoming, Pho Saigon is pretty good. Well recommended. And we got some chow pao, eating steamed buns to go. We have 4 hours of daylight left, so we're gonna do as much as we can. Let's get it.